Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week we discuss unrealistic promises, the frustration of technicians in the automotive industry. In this series, we address and discuss the top complaints automotive technicians face when dealing with their service advisors. The automotive industry is a complex web of different roles and responsibilities. Service advisors are responsible for communicating with customers and understanding their needs, while technicians are responsible for diagnosing and repairing vehicles. However, there is often a disconnect between these two roles, particularly when it comes to making promises to customers. Service advisors may promise customers that their vehicles will be ready within a certain time frame or at a certain cost, which may not be feasible given the extent of the repairs needed. This can lead to frustration and stress for technicians who are expected to meet these unrealistic promises. There are several reasons why service advisors may make unrealistic promises. For one, they may feel pressure to keep customers happy and maintain a positive reputation for the dealership or repair shop. They may also lack a deep understanding of the technical aspects of the repair process, which can make it difficult to accurately estimate the time and cost required. However, when these promises are made, it is the technicians who bear the brunt of the consequences. They may be forced to rush through repairs, sacrifice quality for speed, or work overtime to meet the promised deadline. This can lead to mistakes, accidents, and burnout, ultimately harming the quality of service provided to the customer. In order to address this issue, it is important for service advisors to have a clear understanding of the repair process and to communicate honestly with customers. This means acknowledging the complexity of certain repairs and the potential for unexpected issues to arise. Service advisors should also work closely with technicians to ensure that the promises made to customers are realistic and achievable. For technicians, it's important to speak up when they feel that promises are unrealistic or unachievable. This means advocating for themselves and their colleagues and working collaboratively with service advisors to find realistic solutions, prioritizing safety and quality. Ultimately, the key to avoiding frustration and burnout in the automotive industry is effective communication and collaboration between service advisors and technicians. By working together to set realistic expectations and prioritize quality over speed, they can provide the best possible service to customers while also maintaining a healthy and sustainable working environment.
Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.